Yes. Ah, que fenômeno munha. Que ia na mega.
Ano kata ndị cheche ma ọsọtụrụ bọọsụ agba breki na fọta ife ndị mmadụ ibe na shọp ma ndị nwere aka na TF Mines ụmụna mejiri ụzọ ogologo a niile ike
Okay.
Secondary, electric street light amount. That's a cosa go away. I mean, I have to go to go. I have to go
okay. Mana enanya ịma ka ihe niile si agaba na Anambra State ka isi afụ ị ga-asị na gọvanọ na-eme ọfụma when it comes to security so far like ị ga-asị na na-enweghị ihe o mee na security advance go na Anambra State.
The present governor.
Yes, the present one ka anyị na-ekwu. Onwebeghị ife efu eme na security. Aka na-ebihed ndị mmadụ ka esi emebu before.
In terms of security, what is the security?
Okay. Ngwan darịrị ndị maka your input ka ndị ọzọ batakwa ka akọwala ike ose na side fa. Thank you. Yes, so it is going down. Let's get the score. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening. Hello. Hi, please call back. We lost that call. Please call back. Remember that the numbers you call to become part of this conversation are 08096661035 or 08094441035. Yeah? You know, he said that the people doing this thing in Anambra State are Igbo people. What is your take on that? We still have a few minutes to spend here in the studio. So when you call, you tell us what you think about all of this. And can even MS security-wise in your area, so that security operatives who are paying attention will know exactly how to attack the issue, you know, coming from your own particular area. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Your name and your location.
Name is Igbo.
Kebi Sabo.
Sorry for monitor.
Ngwangabaniru. Okay, please call back. Meanwhile, let me tell you that a pan-Igbo social cultural group, you know, Igbo Youths for Positive Change, you know, they faulted claims by the indigenous people of Biafra that the Anambra State Governor, Professor Charles Soludo, has secretly set up Ebubeagu. You know, this is another accusation that is coming up. But a whole lot of people are speaking up for the governor, knowing that he is very passionate about fixing this security issue. Hello?
Hello, my brother.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Not the market can go on, man.
Yes, okay. Abraham from
Abraham.
More than suggest, Lord, I do one more I can wear because news I didn't this morning, that's the casino. And I thought we go business group almost 200 people. I think I will not get the possible because I can go on. I can't say
okay. So far, you man where all the too hot na Anambra. You man nanya geketa or not benefit.
Yes, one. Yeah, yes, that was a maybe like all those things go like before again. It's no longer like before. On a
I don't want to go but a mother may if we got send a yes, no, I'm a palutua. Abi,
I ain't a good player. I ain't a good player.
Okay.
Try in a good player. But I have because Emma putting camera, gịnị?
Ọ dịzị ka ọ na-adị ya bi.
Ọ dịzị ka ọ na-adị ya.
Well, thank you very much for your input.
My brother. Thank you very much.
That's it. Hello. Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. My name is Smart. I'm calling from Bar.
Okay, Gabaniru Smart.
Yeah. So listen to more. Some of them are saying, "I did it." My actually suggest yeah. And we get security as well. I think it's the police. They need to offer capacity call because all these things are them. They cannot kata. They can back.
Oh, please, Smart, call back, yeah. Call back. Everybody know Bonebon at the 103.5 FM, and this is Street Report. Nebon at the corner, but to Macanifara Conebon at and today we are talking about security in Anambra State. So far, Kedu Kode. Really, everybody was scared. Nobody like that. Nobody is running away like that anymore. But that does not mean that there is no room for improvement. That we need to improve the more. So that's why we're having this conversation this evening. The numbers to call once again to become part of this conversation before I leave the studio are 0096661035 or 0094441035. So still on the issue of the unknown gunmen, Governor, the unknown gunmen. And in the process, IPOB came out to advise, to tell him that you shouldn't be using militia against the people. Then I don't want about the people. Now just why then well another set of people and apart from we, the people on dying my willing. Hello? Hello? Oh, please call back. Then the governor didn't even respond to that. You have to go another group. Welia Zabazia Fire. Hello? Hey, no, move away from your hello, good evening. Move away from your radio set. Hello? Apa gonna be Abogodu? Hello? And apa Bogini? Okay, easy about was it? Mwangabaniru, only Bushigabaniru.
Okay, all based on the insecurity.
Kanambra kind of neighbor tata.
I can in a what I go. The Sarah of party number the town or all I had the what I go. No, the only way to solve this issue that this governor to get a little go to that man. Oh, yeah,
apart from that, and ndebo unknown gunmen na alụ na-ewelu human parts and the rest of them. Or na ya ma addressing ka or them kind on na ka na-ewelu human parts ya na akọpa ya ọzọ. Or them otu a. or the more I was the cannibals. Ghana watch, you can't use human behead them more than the rest of them. Or if I book. Okay, anyhow. Onyebuchi will be our last caller this evening. You know, the essence of this program today is to sensitize our people on why it is important that we must work with the governor, you know, to fix the security issue in our states. And we can mail to Anabama and the rest of them. But the thing is a fact that we might be sympathizing with whatever it is, you know, when it comes to this, you know, sympathize, but you won't know that maybe the next one that will happen will be at your door also. I'm not praying for that for anybody. I'm not even praying for that for anybody at all. But how do we fix that? Because prayers without work is dead. So the way we fix all of these things is to pray, and then we go about it and do what we are supposed to do, you know. This is where I will call it a day on this particular edition of Street Report. Once again, I will have to apologize about the imperialism that took some of our time, you know. So, but anyhow, this is where I will call it a day on this particular edition of Street Report. So far, Soludo government is doing so well in Anambra State. Everyone can see it, but you know, everybody in Ebubeagu, you know, but a whole lot. Like people who understands responsibility already. So far, Onomego. I want to appreciate everyone that paid attention today. Everyone that called, you know, Tuale. It's not easy. These things are things we must address before they get out of hand. And you and Monwa, we have done our own today. We have done something. By the grace of the Most High, King of Kings and Lord of Lords, Yahweh Chukwu Biama, I will be here same time of 4:30 p.m. Same Friday, you know, same station of Ebona, the 103.5 FM. I remember Martin, if I Shuku Ekeze as a number the first, the one that I call metal. Shalom. Till next week. Have fun.
My love is bigger than the ocean. Fire skin like a lotion. Loving is my devotion.
Bam, bam, bam. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so that all these updates will be coming your way as much as anytime we bring it about, it will just appear. So subscribe, support your boy really. And then I will pray for you. I pray very well. I'll pray for you. Just subscribe. Thank you very much.